Now, as Nio battery swapping station average like 100,000 on a daily basis in the last like 7 days, a lot of the investors are starting to see the kind of a potential that lies within this battery swapping station technology that Nio is deploying. And us as retail investors, we've been telling people of the potential that lies within this technology. I've been saying on this channel that blue sky is coming because of battery swapping stations. I mean, on the video I made earlier on today, we were talking about an Envo user that when he was performing a battery swap, which took him 2.5 minutes, the others cars or other brands that were charging their cars, those users for those brands, they were just looking at him and he could see right through their eyes that they really envy the battery swapping station technology, which Nio, as the only EV maker offering this, is providing or it's giving to those that buy their cars and subscribe to battery as a service, which this, as I said it on that video, I will say it again, will drive or will make Nio sales to shoot straight to the roof, because this is a mode that not many people still, some of the people still don't realize the potential that lies within this business alone. I mean, today I just read an article that comes from Seeking Alpha from an investor that just initiated a buy rating onto Nio because of battery swapping station technology. I mean, the reason why this analyst is issuing a buy rating is because of the convenience that comes with the battery swapping station. It's because it also eliminates battery lifespan concerns that comes with maybe your battery coming out of warranty after a certain period, because when you buy a Nio without a battery, you are going to of course enjoy battery swapping station, and should your battery just have a problem of maybe something, a technical glitch or something, and it is found with faults, you don't have to worry about buying a new battery, because you just go and swap out that battery and get it replaced with another fully functional battery. When you buy or when you subscribe to battery as a service from Nio, which entails you buying the Nio car or the Envo car without a battery, you get to choose which battery to use at what point, because whether you want a standard battery pack or a long range battery pack, it's up to you. It will just cost you a bit more if you want, or if you were using a standard battery pack and you want a long range battery pack. I mean, for Nio, I think those that are using standard battery packs, and this is 70-75 kilowatts, they are paying 728 RMB, whereas those that want long range battery packs like 100 and 150 kilowatts, they pay 1128 RMB. This is one of the things that of course you will pay, but of course it gives you peace of mind because you don't have to worry about the battery. Envo, on the other hand, I think standard battery packs, which is their 60 kilowatts battery, you pay around $70 on a month to month. The long range, which is 85 kilowatts battery packs, you pay roughly around $128 on a month to month, which shows you how affordable this service is, which enables you to go and swap the battery in your car instead of going the normal route of charging your batteries, which takes you about 15 minutes to an hour, which is something that is not good, because battery swapping station, especially with the 4th generation battery swapping station with Nio, you'll know that it takes you 2.5 minutes, which is something that the Envo user we're talking about this morning just testified and confirms or reaffirms that indeed what Nio has been telling us, it is exactly what he got. 2 minutes 30 seconds, he was done, or he had a new battery with a range of over 500 kilometers. This is what we saw, and this is a big moat that made this of course analysts to give or initiate a buy rating onto Nio, because of the advantages that comes with battery swapping stations. You will know for Envo, they are not offering long range batteries as yet, so those that you are seeing swapping, they are swapping their 60 kilowatts and getting 60 kilowatts. It is only in December that Nio will introduce the long range batteries, which is able to give you over 700 kilometers on an Envo, which 85 kilowatts. They are coming in this December. We will get to see them. So if you want that battery, all you need is to pay, of course, a monthly subscription of over $100. Then you get that battery fitted in your car, which will give you a long range. But if you are in town, I mean, or if you're just driving from home to work, I don't think it's really necessary for you to get that battery, as you can just swap in 2.5 minutes, which is something that is exceptionally well incredible to see and to know that because of all these advantages that comes with the battery swapping station, Nio has been getting an average of 100,000 battery swap on a single day since last week on Tuesday. It is something that is pretty exciting, something that is so amazing to see Nio getting this kind of battery swaps on a single day. Couple of months back, you will know that the Nio CEO, in fact early this year, the CEO of Nio said that time that for them to break even in terms of battery swaps, they need to complete 140,000 battery swaps on a single day. And to know that Nio, we are seeing them averaging 100,000 battery swap in the last 7 days, it tells you of how close we are from seeing battery swapping station business onto Nio reaching profitability. This is what we want to see. This is what we're waiting for as investors, and when it comes, it's lights out, right? I mean, I'm very happy, I'm excited, and this catalyst of Nio getting to profitability will be also fueled by the Onvo sales, because the more Nio sells their Onvo brands and Nio brand is, the more a lot of people are going to subscribe to this battery as a service, which entails them going to a battery swap and complete a battery swapping station and complete a battery swap. And we are going to get to see Nio continuously growing in terms of total battery swaps they complete on a single day. I know right now Nio does not need 140,000 to get to break even, because they've deployed more battery swaps, right? So it will be slightly more than the 140,000, but I tell you, next year around this same time, we might be talking about a different story onto the battery swapping station of Nio, or onto Nio reaching break even onto battery swapping station, because charging infrastructure, we know they have already reached a break even. We are just waiting under Nio Power battery swapping station to reach of course a break even, which will come next year. And once that one comes, plus the sales that Nio will be generating by, of course, selling their cars, and that is Nio, Onvo and Firefly, it is going to just be lights out. So you can imagine the kind of revenues, the kind of growth we are going to see from Nio next year around the same time, which tells us or shows us one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will definitely be rewarded, because when Nio gets to profitability, you and me can agree that it's lights out, and the market will have to adjust, because for a company like, let's say for instance, Nio that is already profitable, the market cap of Nio compared to this one of Nio, that market cap of Nio is like 3 times more than this of Nio. So if Nio gets to profitability, we have to expect the market cap also to grow similarly to that of Nio, right? Or even surpass that one of Nio, because with Nio, I mean, you cannot compare Nio with Nio. I mean, if we are to talk business, we are not talking about profitability, but if we are to talk about the kind of a business mode that Nio has as compared to that one of Nio, which therefore Nio, even if they are generating the same revenue, because of the mode, because of the potential, the capabilities that Nio is able to demonstrate, or the future that lies within Nio, you and me can agree that Nio should be valued way more. Even if they're generating the same revenues, maybe same gross margins, Nio should be valued more because of the potential that lies within this stock. So yeah, man, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. I think blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will definitely be rewarded, and so many more analysts, so many more of the big financial institutions and retail investors are going to come back and once again become bullish onto Nio. Those that are bearish are going to become bullish, because they still don't see, some of them still don't see, or the kind of a company Nio is becoming. But thank God, we are already on the light. We are already seeing the light. We already see where Nio could be in the future, which is why the low trading price that we see sometimes onto Nio, it's opportunity to load the board, because we know that blue sky is coming. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best. in your stock market investing journey. Do your own DD, and God bless you all.